Since 1989, over 1,200 men and women have been exonerated after being convicted of crimes they did not commit. These men and women have served months, years, and even decades in prison for these crimes. In this course, we will attempt to answer 3 questions. The first, who's most vulnerable? Who's most likely to be drawn into these wrongful convictions? The second, what factors lead someone to be drawn into wrongful convictions? For example, faulty eyewitness memory or false confessions. And the third is, what can we do about it?
I'm excited by this course because it's an opportunity to introduce for thousands of people how social science can bring together our research on the behavior of the criminal justice system, social inequality and reflecting in the criminal justice system, and how this is brought to bear on a very real and very pressing social problem. Criminologists, sociologists, and psychologists and others have long studied disparities and inequalities in the criminal justice system. Social science research and data really helps us pinpoint the points in the system and the places at which people are disadvantaged by the criminal justice system.
At the end of the course, we hope that students understand who is most likely to be wrongfully convicted of crimes. We want them to understand the causes and to appreciate that what many people go through in the system is not justice. While there have been 1,200 plus wrongful convictions in the United States, we can do things to avoid them in the future. What we've learned about wrongful convictions, what students will learn in this class, these are things that can change policy as we move forward. What happened to people who have been wrongfully convicted doesn't need to be repeated. The system will never be perfect, but we can utilize what we know to make a system that is less fallible than it is today.